Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome back once again. My name is Tola, founder Crypto Masterclass. For those of you just watching me for the first time, Crypto Masterclass is actually a cryptocurrency education platform. Alright, there is something circulating at the moment. I think it is an old memo, but it is circulating again. And you know, in Nigeria, anything, everything is possible. So right now is a time for us to tell CBN some facts. They should know the truth. The fact remains that you cannot threaten a technology. You know why? Because you operate 100% on a technology you didn't create. The banking system is being operated over the internet. The CBN does not create the internet. The technologies used in printing money is not an initiative of the CBN, and yet you use it. Now, the threat of CBN closing accounts of anyone using cryptocurrency, to me, is very silly, and I will tell you why. Now, before I tell you why, let me tell you something. If you think that you can scare us away from using cryptocurrency, 100% error. You know why? You can succeed in suspending our account, but you cannot succeed in stopping us from spending money. Now wait a bit. There is a platform, a blockchain platform called Swipe. Now I can order Swipe card. Of course, CBN, you have third-party partners like MasterCard, like Visa, like VAV. That is not even your own initiative that you partner with to process payment. Now I can simply order Swipe card or Binance card or whatsoever card that I want powered by blockchain. This time around, I'll use that same card to collect money from your fucking ATM. And this time around, the commissions go to those platforms. This Nigeria, I tell people that I am only in Nigeria physically. My spirit, my soul is not with this country. The silliest ballooning things happen in this country. This country, we've lost so many powerful doctors to the United States of America. In the US, we have more doctors, we have more Nigerian doctors in the US than the citizens of the United States themselves. Let me tell you, money is whatever it is. Money is what people agree it to be. You cannot scare us from using money. If you care about the poor, you should use the blockchain tech to fight poverty. There is no way you can stop us from using cryptocurrencies. There is no way, absolutely. I have said this earlier. If you think you can stop us from using cryptocurrency, it is all lies, go work. Now let me tell you, even a system you are not even aware of right now with a stone around them, it shock you, Abi. The systems that you are not aware of, that you don't even regulate, we now store Naira on that system and we are okay with it. Many of us, we have 90% of our money on a separate platform because of your silly rules and regulations. I don't know what it is. For more than a month, GT Bank has not been working efficiently. Just yesterday, EcoBank said they've resolved their whatever something, and for several weeks they have been shit. You guys will not solve simple just to send money is an issue in Nigeria. But this time around, you are sending what is it, a memo to do what? To scare us. Fuck that shit. You know why I say fuck that shit? It is because many of us, cryptocurrency was a life changer. It was a life-changing mechanism. The money many of us have made in one calendar year, if we were to abide and work as a civil servant till we go die, we no go make that money, no be mouth. You all saw it. One of us was on the internet last week. She built a house and Instablock, Jabba left, Netherlands. Everyone was like, wow. See, that is just little. Testimony still they come. Many of us are coming to build estates. No be rant, no be mouth. It will happen. Courtesy of the blockchain technology, courtesy of cryptocurrencies. You can't scare us. Stop fighting this nonsense. It shows that you guys are evil. You don't care about the poor. I keep saying this. Now, let me tell you something. If any of you will vote for your ancestors this coming election, God will punish you. If any of you will vote any of these wicked leaders, God will punish you, because it is the same leaders that will be signing that memo that they should approve it. Many of you, let me tell you, have you ever made 10 million naira cash? Like, have you ever made 10 million? You are above 20, above 30, above 40. You've not said 10 million naira. No be wish, no be juju. Now the system. Now the system, now the Nigerian system. 10 million naira is nothing to be made. Many of us, we trade, we lose 5M. And it is very normal. We trade again, we make 15M. It's very normal. In just one market, in just few markets, we make so much money. But this system, this Nigerian system, they will limit your account to 500k per day. I'm telling you, as like, wait, if you limit my account to 500,000 naira in a day, how do I make money? How do I do businesses? Okay, what if I want to go into real estate and my customer is saying that, oh, Tola, I want to buy a land. Get me land somewhere in Beguleki, somewhere get settled, or ask governor consent, somewhere not more than 10 million naira. And the person sent me 10 million naira to my account, but my limit is 500,000. How do I transact for crying out loud? But with blockchain, it is unlimited. It go shock now. See what we do, eh? We are this country, but we're no longer here. We operate on the global level right now. We operate the global scene right now. If do no do, we go leave the country for una. If go no go, we are going to leave this country for you. You guys have been shit since time immemorial. In the 1970s, naira was bigger than the dollar, but today naira is almost 500 times below dollar. All wrong now. It is very wrong. Right now, an average shite cannot even survive on 100 naira to buy a meal. It is insane. It is crazy. If you scare us, let me tell you what will happen. The Chinese, Shendomi, Oga CBN, the Chinese, they will colonize you at long last. They are doing that already. You don't know. Binance, the largest bank in the world that was formed almost 160 years ago. I mean, almost 150 years ago. Deutsche Bank of Germany, the largest bank in the world. Binance is making more profit than the bank, courtesy of blockchain technology. You can't scare us. Leave this fight. Instead, try to put things in place. Then many of us, you hire us as partners to promote education. Many of us, you hire us as developers to develop platforms that can benefit Nigeria, that can benefit Africa. Are you not ashamed? Look at Africa. Look at the rest of the world. You travel now. People they travel. All of us they travel. Now all of us they travel. People they travel go to other countries. See as they are. Dubai is a desert, but people are dying to go there. Many of you, if you don't go to Dubai, I'm talking about the airlines now. If you don't go to Dubai at least once in a year, you go one die. You go say, I want to go and rest for person land, person papa land. Now you won't rest, not your own homeland. All wrong now. Leave this thing alone. What you should do is to create a system. You should embrace this system. In Switzerland, every train station you can buy and sell Bitcoin. But here you are saying you want to close accounts of no respect for una. Now those that don't say God punish all of una. God punish all of una. I have made money from cryptocurrencies. Imagine, I was able to get this money that do I even want to go for masters? I have NCE certificate. I have BSc. Ask me where they are. They inside wardrobe for house. They inside wardrobe for house. But here comes cryptocurrency. Like a joke, we are making impact. But then we are telling people how to do it, and it's making positive impact in their lives. Then you come for what exactly? If you care about finance, go and take poverty off the street. I've told you earlier, you can succeed in blocking our account, but that your naira, we go see spend them. If we are still in this country, we go order for swipe card, Binance card. You go come. We go to use our. Okay now. I have an OKS account. I trade on OKS. This morning I took profit on GRT. I can show you I can show you my trade history for you to know. The profit I took from GRC this morning, 100%, or let me say, those earning, what was it called? Minimum wage, I've been minimum slave. They won't earn in 3 months. They won't earn that money in 3 months. It shock you. Just a trade. I'm on Ago. Ago is blasting. I'm on BNB. It is blasting. Now, even if you block my bank account, no wahala. I will order card. Then from my exchange account, I go to load the card. I go to your silly ATM, collect naira and spend. So what will you do next? In fact, go and shut down our account. We don't even need it again. Shut down our account. We don't want your fucking bank again. We don't want your fucking accounts again. What you guys know how to do is to corner us, to believe that making money is very hard. God will juggle off now. Making money, I also thought it was hard. Come they fast and pray. I share making money is very simple. Just same way now we go go to church. God and pastor will say that this country no light. Let's pray that God should light Nigeria. Let them be like God. They pray for that. God no go that kind of prayer. That we should have like God they pray. God will not answer such prayer. To get light, use wind, use solar, use your dams. Say way to make money. To make money, no hard. Now systematic process. See what you've caused. See what you've caused. You the airlights. God will judge all of you now. That day for heaven, I go stand with 2x2 for heaven gate. Beat all of you now. Because all of us go die. Then why are you making life so hard? Nobody will spend 200 years for this earth again. Why make it so hard? Why can't you use blockchain technology to eradicate poverty for crying out loud? Why are you so wicked? Will you live forever? Will you live forever? Where's Mugabe? Where's Mugabe?
They don't even know blockchain.
Oh my God. Emma Buruo. If to say woman be no they die this life, if for hard. But you know what? We are not scared. We are not scared. You bring it on. Anyway, you see the best you can do, which is your checkup, not last card though. Your checkup is to block our accounts. When you block that, walk in there, Kola Barudo, prick way big. You can't use that prick to scare a grandma. She don't fuck prick tire now. When you block our accounts, we know you mean business. That time we not abandon your silly banks. All those crazy charges. Ecobank will charge me 10k maintenance fee, 20,000, 15k, 30,000 for what? Say I receive money, end of the month, bagan 30,000 plus, bagan 20k plus, bagan. I'm like, what is all this? When you not block those cards, that money say you don't go even take them. We order swipe card. Now let me tell you something before I round up. I don't have a Dome account, and I won't have one. But guess what? I have a way of saving dollars online. It shock you. Why should I save dollars? And every month you want to save $50? Ole nini, and you people, ole nini, ole. You guys are thief for having dollar in my account, Dome account. Then every month you want to come and collect $50. Koni da funyi, ole nini, ole nini, ole. I don't have a Dome account, but I have an hardware wallet. I have a way of saving. I have an hardware wallet. I have hot wallet. I have a way of saving dollars. You don't even know how it is done. Shocking, Yabi. Get out of here. You want to scare this generation? This is Sorosuke generation, not of the Mag generation. Of the Mag generation, oh Lenini. We are Sorosuke generation. What be me? Because I don't know. The truth must be said. You can't take money away from the people. Money initially was a system between two people in agreement. I have Fiam, you have this, let's exchange. It's just like the work of Ashawo. See, anyone into runs, don't blame them. There is nothing wrong with it. I am not saying you go and do wrong, so you know I said there's nothing wrong with it. Ashawo is one of the old profession. It's an exchange. It's a choice of anyone. It's an exchange. So don't think that you can use your fucking system that you create to steal from us. You can use that system to scare us this day, 2021. Your bank will wind down. The Chinese are coming to colonize this African financial system. You will soon understand. Now let me tell you, the app you use, this technology that you are using up and down, even your gadget at home, how many is made by Nigerians? You drive German cars, Benz, power German cars. How many of us are driving made in Nigeria cars? How many of us? You wear clothes, Italy. You wear belt, Italy. Italian shoe. Money, whoa. This blockchain, it will shock una. They are coming to take that from us again. Then with your silly rules, you will subject generations into what? Into slavery. Technically, get out.